Hey, this is Derek with Aquanut Pool Care, and today I'm going to show you how to backwash a sand filter using the Hayward automation system with a Hayward Super Pump VS. Here goes. So the first thing that you're going to do with this system is you're going to hit the service mode button. The pump is going to ramp down and come to a stop. Once the pump comes to a stop, you're going to switch the multi-port handle to the backwash position. Once it's in the backwash position, you are going to come over here and hit the service button twice. Once you do that, the pump is going to ramp back up and go into a priming mode for a few minutes. This is when you will be backwashing your system. Once you are done backwashing your system, come back over here, hit the service button once. You will hear the pump come to a stop again, and then go ahead and move the multi-port handle to the rinse position. Back over here, you will hit the service button again twice, and you will be rinsing your filter. You will hear the pump ramp back up and see water going out the waistline. You will need to rinse for about 30 seconds, then come back over here, hit the service button once, and then put your filter back in the filter position. Once it's in filter position, you will hit the service button again twice, and you will be back in business. If you need to run your pump for longer after it exits priming mode, such as when you're vacuuming to waste, you simply come over here, hit the menu button, go into settings, press up for filter speed settings, and it's going to say filter speed, whatever the current speed is, and you simply ramp that up to the RPMs that you want. After you have done using that, go back in, same way, and then go back down to the percentage that you had it on before you started vacuuming to waste. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and have a great day.